What's up, you guys? It's your girl Jackie here, and I am back with another video, and I finally get to talk to you. I've missed you. I've been doing voiceovers for the past few videos, and it's just not the same. Like, I really enjoy talking to you guys. So I wanted to get into this look. It's super sun-kissed, super summer. It's like beach, vacation vibes. It's all of that. And I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this look. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Tap that notification bell so you'll be able to see when I upload a video as soon as I upload a video. So without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so now that I have done my brows, I'm going to move on to my moisturizer. And of course, you guys know I use my Pond's moisturizing cream, but this is the Anti-Wrinkle cream. I generally use this at night, but I tried it out a couple of times during the day and it did pretty well. So we're just gonna go ahead, and it feels so good on the skin. Oh my god, I love it. So when I moisturize my face, I do not moisturize my eyelids because my eyelids are oily for some reason. So if I put moisturizer on my eyelids, y'all, my eyeshadow is going to be a mess. So I do not do that. If you have oily eyelids, do not do it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and prime, and I'm priming with my Maybelline Master Prime.
If you don't moisturize, you gotta prime. You gotta do either both, or at least prime to make your makeup look flawless, stay on, not crease.
I've been experiencing a lot of creasing in my smile lines, so I'm just gonna take some eyeshadow primer. Yep, eyeshadow primer. The one that I'm using is the HardCandy eyeshadow primer, and I would show you the container, but it's all like, you know, you get to the last bit and you try to squeeze it all out. But I'll have the name of it listed in the description box. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this eyeshadow primer into my smile lines. Just kind of pack it in. And this will minimize creasing, if not totally prevent it, depending on how severe your smile lines are. And in my case, mine are very deep. All right, so I am going to color correct. I'm color correcting with my Ruby Kisses. This particular product has lasted me so long because you do not need a lot at all. And I don't color correct every makeup application, especially depending on my foundation. Some foundations are full coverage, some they aren't. So I just want to conceal really around, not conceal, correct my dark areas, and it's like the corners of my mouth, around my mouth. And I think I'm gonna kind of just go in a little bit with my eyes, like right in here, not too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my base to my eyes. I'm using my P.Louise Room 2 base. Okay. So I didn't really do that like super neat, but I don't feel it's necessary for the look that I'm going for. For my transition, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. So I'm gonna be using one of these two colors out of the Festival palette. I'm gonna use my Sedona Lace EB11 brush to put that product on. So I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take a clean brush. This is my Sedona Lace EB9 brush. I'm just gonna blend out that edge. This does not have any product on it at all. I kind of want to blend that yellow into the orange, so you don't see like a harsh line or anything. Like I said, I really wasn't sure if I wanted to do a cut crease or not, but I just wanted it to be really pretty. So just to kind of smooth it out some, I am going to go back into that orange, and I'm going to use that same brush I used the orange. I'm not going to put any more product on it. I'm just going to do just like that. perfect. Not too much, and once everything is done, it'll all come together. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline SuperStay, and my shade is 330. So for highlighting, I'm going to be using my L.A.Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges of my highlight under my eyes, and then we're going to go into the cream contour. So for my cream contour, you guys know I've been using the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the shade Warm Almond. I'm just going to apply just a little bit. Little goes a long way. And I always double my lines here because my forehead is huge. So I try to bring it in as much as possible so that it just doesn't look so big. And that's just it. And I'm gonna bring in this chin a little bit. And a little on the nose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out, and I'm gonna blend it out with my Japanese brush, if I can find it. So it's the Japanese 713 brush, and this is the brush that I always blend my cream contour out. Mind you, I still have not blended out my highlight under my eyes. I am gonna let that sit a little bit. It just looks better when I just let it sit and kind of melt in. Okay, so now that that's all done, we're gonna go back in and blend out under the eyes. So for my setting powder, I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And this is like the only setting powder really that works for me right now. I am going to try another one. There's a few that I want to try. But as of right now, it's been working for me. So I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to tone down that contour just a little bit. Just so that it looks natural. Okay, so now I'm going to set all the areas that I contoured, and I'm going to set it with my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm using that middle shade, which is this shade right here. It's the Sculpt shade. And to do that, I'm using my Japanese brush. It's the 961 brush. So I'm going to go ahead and dust away any excess powder from under my eyes. So I look super dry. I hate that. So I'm gonna go in with my rose water, and I'm just gonna spray. Okay, so for blush, I'm using my NYX blush. This is the Cinnamon, it's called Cinnamon. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm gonna use the same brush that I did my contour with. And I'm just gonna start it right here because it's kind of bright. I'm just gonna go in right up in here. So I'm gonna go back in with that orange shade, this face powder, and knock off any excess. And just dust that under. So I am gonna spray again, and then I'm gonna apply my highlighter. And then I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance Flawless Fake Bronzer and apply that just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my lashes. I'm using, of course, the Miss 3D lash. This style, I think it's the M363, but I'll have that listed in the description box if I can find the package. But you know, that's all I've been wearing lately, guys. I absolutely love this brand. It's the next best thing to mink lashes for the fraction of the price. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so the look is coming together. I feel like I look a lot more sun-kissed than I did before. Before it was a little too matte, and I probably chose the wrong foundation for this look. I probably should have went more with my NARS, because my NARS, of course, the title says it all. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So it would have given me that radiant look right off the rip. But instead I went in with the Maybelline SuperStay, and you guys know that that's a matte foundation. So I had to kind of bring the life back into my skin using the highlighter, and that's why I use a little bit more than what I normally do. But to calm it down, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. Not too much, just a little bit, just so that everything kind of absorbs. And then now we're gonna move on to the lips. So the color that I'm gonna use, I know it's a Milani color. I'll have the name of it in the description box, but I actually depotted a lot of my lipsticks, so I don't have the name right now. I'm going to use my L.A.Girl lip liner, and this is the brown shade. Yes, it's bright, but I like it. You just want to take that lipstick and you want to go over your liner. You don't want it to look like you have on lip liner. Like that. And I'm going to go ahead and do my hair, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I threw this hair. Actually, it was already up. I just kind of like made it a little neat and gave me a little baby hair, softened it up a little bit. But yeah, really cute, simple summer curly puff. I'm really loving this look. It's really giving me sun-kissed vibes. I snatched this nose, y'all. Like, I thought I had overdid it, but I'm loving it. It looks so good to me. Yeah, the only thing that I'm not too sure about though is my lips. I feel like I need a little bit of shine, but I don't want to ruin it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. And I'm gonna be using my HardCandy Girl Next Door lip gloss. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit, like right there. Just a little. What do you think? Maybe a little bit more? I'm liking it. Yes. I hate lipstick on my teeth. There you go. Yes. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this completes my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really loving this look. This is like super summertime for me. I feel like I want to go to the beach, and then especially with this blue shirt, like everything just pops. I love it. My skin looks radiant even though we did not start that way. So yeah, I'm really loving how this look turned out. And let me know if you liked in the comment section below. Thumbs up if you do. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.